Hey guys, welcome back to just starting with the video.
Okay, so this is my bedroom.
Nobody thinks you're cool, Francisco.
Where did my pig go? Wait, my pig's roaming free.
I did not kill him though.
You murdered my pig.
No, seriously, I actually didn't kill him.
I'm looking for a door.
Okay guys, well, we're back in our house. I forgot to build my house. I completely forgot to build the house. Sorry guys.
Oh, at least I have this pop-up card.
Okay, we have 3 wolves.
Still have that meeting.
We can finally make a bed, guys.
Okay, and I have this special place. It's called
And we have 6 iron ore.
Oh my god, the turtles are gonna eat you.
That's good.
They're not carnivores.
Okay.
They're
Okay, we finally got a bed. Oh, I'm just saying, guys, we're running out of stuff. Oh god, yeah, we're actually.
What is this? What is this place? This is my secret training base. I train.
Emily, that might. Never mind. Yes, I think it is. Sorry, guys, about the interruption. Okay. Yeah, we're good. We're getting a lot of stuff.
Wait. I will show you how I can fly. You want to see me fly? Let's do this. Where's the hole? Well, let me move. Up and away. Okay. Stop eating that. It's a blow. Oh God, no. Oh God.
I'm gonna put iron in it.
Why are you still running?
Okay, guys, there's some trays over there. Let me get some stuff. Looks like I have so many bowls.
Okay, and now.
Okay, I don't know. One day I might start
Let me turn it.
Never mind.
You do, Francisco.
Shut up.
Make me.
Okay. 2 words. Shut. Second word, up.
That's not making me shut up, dude.
Okay, let me come here. I'm gonna shut your mouth like this.
Go ahead, I slapped you.
Time for me to fly.
Try.
Is that brown sheep? Aww.
You're scared.
No, I'm not actually. I am.
Murderer!
I'm not a murderer.
Emily, he killed a poor innocent sheep. A brown
How?
sheep too.
They get beds. I don't shears. That's
It was chocolate, dude.
Dude, look at this.
Do you think I have shears? Yes or no? No, I'm still smelting iron.
Exactly. You don't have that because you're doo-doo.
I was
Shut up.
flying.
Make me.
Okay. Bye.
You wanna look at me fly again? Ready? I'm gonna let go. Let go. Let me just go one.
Okay, guys. If you're wondering why I'm not using my regular axe, because I'm gonna use the really and then this one. But okay.
Exit. Ready? Oh crap.
I wonder what's gonna be my god. Oh gosh. Sorry.
No! I was supposed to do something else. I was supposed to.
What?
He fell from the sky. He was trying to change it back to survival. And he did, and he was falling in midair.
Let me just get that. Oh, you want?
Okay, guys. It's almost my time. Okay, that's good.
Good.
That means good news for me. Okay, let's go.
Let's try this again.
Yeah, great for explosion.
Oh my god, that was so fun.
I know. Why am I using stairs?
I know, so you don't die.
You know, I'm using stairs. I was gonna use something else, but I'm gonna use planks. I'm gonna use them all.
There's horses, like a kingdom.
Okay, ready? See, I can fly actually.
Okay, but
I
you wonder
can
why
fly!
the horses are glitching out. I don't know about that one. Hey, Spider, come at me. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, just thanks to this thing, I can fly. Now I need to destroy
Zombie.
I remember yesterday dying 2 times.
Oh yeah, he did that.
Yeah, because you
There's a witch.
Ooh, you're gonna get potion.
kill witch the bitch.
He's gonna get potion and die.
Oh, I killed him and he dropped glowstone.
Good for you.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna survive the whole night. I have a bed, but I don't care. I'm gonna survive the whole night. Come out, Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Where's Spider-Man? I don't see
Where the
him.
hell's Spider-Man at?
I don't know. I just said it by accident.
Probably about to kill him.
Why?
Hey, zombie, come at me.
I say no, bitch.
Oh.
Fuck with me if you want.
Woo, yeah. Creeper, I got some present for you. Oh, yeah. I have a present for you, Creeper. Come and get me. I know
The
the.
fuck is in my pocket?
I have like $20 for the account and $2 for the account.
I think I'm.
Fuck. You dare me to try my use that one?
Okay, guys, my first sponsor.
Oh, what up? No, this is what?
Open the window.
Yep. Look at me. I think should be dying right now.
What do you want?
Besides the creepers. Hey, Creeper, don't explode my house. Okay, never
I
mind.
did throw out the window.
Oh, there's 2. Wow, there's 2 creepers.
Going through grave crackers in the road.
I'm trying to fight 2 creepers at the same time.
Why? Because you're not sure?
Let him blow up.
No, I could get glow.
Oh!
I told you, you have to stay just close enough.
That was awesome.
I know I killed the other creeper. Okay, guys.
Yeah, but Dylan's an expert at Minecraft.
Back to the jungle, guys. Back to the jungle, guys.
Are you making a video?
Yes.
And he's doo-doo.
I know.
And everybody on the mic, and everybody heard that. Don't kill that sheep.
Can I tame this guy? No,
You dare kill that freaking
I said tame, not.
Kill him. I hurt you.
I see this guy kill a lot of people.
This is your worst video, Francisco.
He murdered
Technically, no.
Yes, you did. You murdered a sheep.
No, I mean this is not my worst video,
You
actually.
murdered a sheep.
You get wool for bed. Idiot.
It's no excuse. I thought you said you had beds already.
When you didn't have a
I wanted a brown bed, not a white bread.
Bread? White bread. We're not getting bread from sheep, retard.
I mean,
that's racist.
you're racist.
I'm not racist.
And well, okay.
That's really racist though. Did you know in Minecraft on the computer, I forget what name you have to name a sheep, and it becomes a rainbow sheep. Where's the
Oh, I know. If you call it Jeb, it turns into a rainbow game.
No.
Yes, it does. I actually tried it once, and it actually does work. Boy, don't tell me it's gonna rain again. Oh, come on.
Yeah.
Technically, it's good. Technically, it's good for me.
If you type this, if you put dinner beef, they go upside down.
Wait, what?
Yeah, if you name them dinner beef, they go upside down.
I need a dungeon right now. I really need a
Wait,
dungeon.
they go inside out? No, upside down. Really? That would be awesome. What do you have to name?
Oh, my friends told me they actually go upside down.
Oh, that means
What do you have to name them?
Dinner bone.
Dinner bone?
oh, okay. That means I have to find a dungeon. Okay.
Can I just call it instead?
I don't think that will work.
T-bone.
Okay.
You don't make bunny moves, assholes.
Wait, what? Turn.
Yeah. Glitching horses. For the last time, I'm gonna mute this one.
How? No, don't kill them.
I didn't kill it. For some reason.
Why did you hit it? You asshole.
Riding it. Oh my god, why do you have such a hell?
The first time, you know what he actually did? He hit it.
I did not hit it.
Yes, Yes, you did. Everyone saw it. You
Liar.
hit the horse.
Then why is it missing one heart?
Wait, what?
Why is the horse in front?
Oh, so I'm watching the piggy channel.
I mute it. No.
What?
I need to let this. No. Okay. You guys cannot escape here.
Actually, they can just jump over.
They can't actually. They can't.
Yeah, they can.
I'm watching the piggy channel.
Oh my gosh, they can't. Oh gosh. Okay, there. There. I had to do it.
Why? Why do you want to keep them hostage?
Because I mute that horse. So if I get a saddle, I can ride it.
Call them the horse? You just call the horse a horse. What the hell? This is your most inappropriate video.
Oh yeah, I have this river with fish.
What do you mean? Oh yeah, because I made it for you.
Yeah, but you blew up TNT here, so it's you fucking asshole.
No, but it was a good thing.
You blew it up.
Yeah,
You
but
blew this up,
And you know you did.
I know that, but it was for a good
You
thing.
know this isn't even Minecraft.
Yes, it is actually.
No, it's not.
No, on my Xbox it says Minecraft on Android for some reason.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it actually does.
No, it doesn't.
Yes,
No,
it does.
doesn't.
Yes, it does.
It can't link to the Xbox.
Yes, it can because I put my Xbox account on.
No, it can't link
Yes,
to
it
the
can.
Android.
Yes, it can. It's done. I did not do this. Why did a horse?
I found a baby pig.
I think it's up 2 blocks high. What the
But the head. He jumped right here. He went to my crafting table, jumped right here, and to get to his family.
So now you actually have to support it. Ah, my back! I don't care about your fucking back.
Dude, look, I'm a strong pig now.
They're having sex in the seat behind us. I don't want this! What the fuck is the pig doing? Oh no! No, please no!
I won't kill it. It's a baby. I'm gonna wait. I've actually done this before. Hey, look, you know this.
That is not Minecraft!
I don't care. I
It's
still
not
love playing it.
It's a crappy Minecraft is better.
I know.
You're
But I love it.
that goddamn pig.
But at least it has something to play.
Oh,
And second of all, it has texture
What?
pack. I forgot. Oh my gosh, I forgot. I got command block. I got a command block.
type it in then.
No, I need to do it on my other work. Hey guys, I'm gonna end this video. Bye.
I'm 100% sure.
Bye.
I'm going
Ending video.